Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to collaborate with clients in Wix Studio step by step. If you're building websites for clients, it's important to keep communication, approvals, and content updates organized. Wix Studio includes several built-in tools that make client collaboration much easier throughout the entire project. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix Studio account and open the website project you're working on. Once the project opens, take a moment to review the site structure, pages, and content before sharing anything with your client. This helps ensure they see a professional version of the project. Next, click on Preview at the top of the editor. Preview mode allows you to see how the website will look without accidentally editing anything. Go through the website and make note of any sections that may need client feedback, such as homepage content, service descriptions, images, pricing information, or contact details. Now click Share Preview. Wix Studio generates a preview link that you can send to your client. This allows them to review the website without giving them access to edit the project. After sharing the preview link, ask your client to review each page carefully and provide feedback. Encourage them to check text content, images, branding, navigation menus, and mobile responsiveness. As feedback comes in, return to the Wix Studio editor and make the requested changes. Update content, replace images, adjust layouts, or modify design elements as needed. Once revisions are complete, generate an updated preview link and send it back to the client for another review round. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.